Wise men say only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you. Shall I stay? Would it be a sin if I can't help falling in love with you? Like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be. So take my hand, take my whole life too.
His soul is what made me say yes. I'm a small gestures or small things kind of a person. I find joy in small things. That's just me. So he makes that happen, making those meaningful note and just sending it to me. Forget those gestures also, on a day-to-day basis, him noticing every single thing that I really, really want, him taking efforts for okay, this is important to Sachi. It might not be important to him, but making sure that because this is important to Sachi, this has to fall into place. That day-to-day effort that he puts and that concern is just irreplaceable. Nothing can surpass that.
So, I tend to be a bit of a laid-back person. I was, at least, before meeting Sachi. But Sachi always tells me how I can improve a certain thing and why that has value, basically. That's somewhere she really changes me as a person.
Their strength is they've understood each other from day one so beautifully. They know little details about each other from day one, which is such a nice thing.
आपस में उनका जो केमिस्ट्री है, डेट्स वेरी गुड. तो अरेंज मैरिज में ऐसा नहीं है, केमिस्ट्री देखने नहीं मिलता है, बट वो एक अच्छा है दोनों में बॉन्ड.
Both of them, the way that they look at each other, Jigu's very well picked out, everything about Deep. उनको क्या पसंद है, क्या नहीं है, किससे क्या reaction होगा. So he's very fast. He's known Deep now. So that's the cutest thing that I find with him.
मेरे को तो बहुत ज़्यादा सिमिलर लग रहे हैं. ऐसा लग रहा है ऊपर वाले ने तराश के बनाया है जोड़ी ये. So when I see both of them, there is love, respect, admiration in their eyes for each other. The way they are the best.
ਜਦੋਂ ਛੱਡ ਜਾਵੇ ਨੈਣਾ ਭਰ ਜਾਵੇ ਹੰਝੂਆਂ ਦੇ ਪਾਣੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਾਡਾ ਬੇੜਾ ਤਰ ਜਾਵੇ. तेरी मेरी टिच जोड़ी कदी ना तू तोड़ी मेरे यार. हवावां संग उड़दी मैं तेरे उत्ते डिगदी ओ यार.
हो गया रोगी कहते हैं रोगी.
आ तुझे लेके चलूं जहाँ चले.
सब जग सोए हम जागे
तारों से करे बातें तेरी मेरी पिच जोड़ी कभी ना तू थोड़ी मेरे यार हवा में संग उड़दी मैं तेरे उत्ते डिगदी ओ यार
सब जग सोए हम जागे
तारों से करे बातें
तेरी मेरी पिच छोड़ी कभी ना तू तोड़ी मेरे हवा संग उड़ती मैं तेरे उत्ते डिगदी तेरी मेरी पिच छोड़ी कभी ना तू तोड़ी मेरे हवा संग उड़ती मैं तेरे उत्ते डिगदी
Yeah, there were a lot of biodatas that came.
And I just made these two sit. Ki now, okay, let's narrow down whomever we want to meet or go ahead with.
But somehow to me, Sachi's clicked more.
Somehow, Akash, from day one, like, I want to meet her.
बायोडाटा आकाश का हमारे पास आया और साची का भी उनके पास नहीं एक्सचेंज हुआ। तब उस टाइम पे देख करके बैंगलोर था, इसके लिए फ्रैंकली मैंने उतना ध्यान नहीं दिया।
Initially, I never thought of going to Bangalore. It was always like I want to go to Bombay, or I might as well stay in Pune with my parents.
कोई म्यूचुअल फ्रेंड्स मेरे साची के मामा और उनके फ्रेंड्स के थ्रू एक बार वो आया कि ऐसा ऐसा इंक्वायरी है, तो उन्होंने बहुत उनके फैमिली की तारीफ की। फिर हम थोड़ा सा डिटेल में जाने के बाद में समझ में आया कि यहाँ पे वैल्यू सिस्टम बहुत अच्छा है। तो हमने ऐसा ही सोचा कि एक बार जाकर के आ जाते, बैंगलोर जाकर के आते, देखते आए कैसा है क्या है। तो मुझे अच्छे से याद है कि जो आकाश जी के पापा और उनके 3 ब्रदर्स और पूरी फैमिली, तो इतना उन्होंने वेल रिसीव किया। और उनका आपस का ये जो बॉन्डिंग देख करके, जो कि आजकल देखना बहुत कम मिलता है, तो वो बॉन्डिंग देख करके जब मैं बोला कि कोई अगर परिवार इतना आपस में बॉन्डेड रहता है तो उनके वैल्यू सिस्टम बहुत स्ट्रांग रहेंगे।
Honestly, like, within 10 minutes or so, it just felt very familiar and was comfortably flowing beyond that. Yeah. And once the families met, everyone was sort of satisfied. Sachi and I met about 2 days later in Bombay.
Akash and I met in Bombay for the first time. We met with Ronak Bhaiya, Devashi Bhabhi, and
They came back in 10 minutes. Said, we are just waiting around. We'll see if Akash is going to call us. We'll wait for 1 or 2 hours.
So the first meeting was at this place called Chin Chin in Bombay. We thought we'll probably just meet for a coffee, and basically the conversation was like non-stop for like the first 1 or 2 hours.
The 2 hours went to 4 hours, 4 hours went to 6 hours, and like then Ronak is telling us, this is all final now, Chachi, don't worry.
We were just speaking back and forth about what we like doing, what we're looking for, what our values are, more importantly.
in the first meeting, we realized that his ideologies, my ideologies, and the way he looks at life, the things that he wants from life, it's all very similar.
We were sort of aligning on most things, is what it felt like.
We understood that our likes, dislikes for a lot of things are very similar. So it clicked, like, one small thing started clicking from the first meeting as well.
Yeah, it just flew, the conversation just flew by, and
So our first meeting only lasted for 7 hours or so. So then that's when we thought that, 7 hours is a lot of time for somebody you're meeting for the first time.
देखूं मैं देखूं इन बादलों की कश्तियों में, भागे मन मेरा कहीं दूर। चाहत है ऐसी इन बादलों की कश्तियों से, उड़ जाऊं बहकर कहीं दूर। दिल की सुनता ना काहे, खोले सब उलझे धागे, डर क्यों लगता कि करे भूल। भंवरे उठते हैं सारे, अब लागे मन ना माने, रूबरू सपने हैं कबूल। बढ़ता हूँ तेरी ओर, बढ़ता हूँ तेरी ओर, बढ़ता हूँ तेरी ओर, बढ़ता हूँ तेरी ओर। फलक तक उड़ता मेरा दिल, कि वही मुझे जाए सपना मिल। फलक तक उड़ता मेरा दिल, कि वही मुझे जाए सपना मिल। फलक तक उड़ता मेरा दिल, कि वही मुझे जाए सपना मिल। देखूं मैं देखूं ये चांद तारे बन के सारे, भागे सवेरे से है दूर। अंबर की ऊंची 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 चोटियों पे चढ़ के दिखता है ऐसा नूर। दिल की सुनता ना काहे, खोले सब उलझे धागे, डर क्यों लगता कि करे भूल। भंवरे उठते हैं सारे, अब लागे मन ना माने, रूबरू सपने हैं कबूल। बढ़ता हूँ तेरी ओर, बढ़ता हूँ तेरी ओर। फलक तक उड़ता मेरा दिल, कि वही मुझे जाए सपना मिल। फलक तक उड़ता मेरा दिल, कि वही मुझे जाए सपना मिल।
So I was very confused initially, because again, like, a geographic that I was not looking at, like the location. And although like a lot of things about Akash I loved from the first bit, but I was very confused on a lot of other things. So it was not like a very straight, like, go into it kind of a decision for me.
It was a confused state of mind because obviously, you're deciding for your life pretty much on a limited basis. So Sachi and I both discussed that, we want to give it time, maybe 2-3 months of knowing each other before we make a decision. But at least our core values, we understood that they aligned in the first meeting.
So from the first meeting itself, one thing that I loved about Akash was that he was very candid. He did not want to fake who he is, and he was very honest about every single thing. And I was literally taken back by that honesty. In today's age and time, not everybody is that honest.
Getting to know her, I just understood that she's a very balanced person. Something which really struck me strongly was that, she always prioritized betterment in life. She's always trying to, improve in all the aspects that she values a lot.
First time that we met in Bombay, we met for 2 days, that, and then the second time again we met in Bombay a week later. So that was like again 2 days.
By then we knew each other a bit. We were talking on video call and stuff. We decided that, first day I plan, second day she plans. And we wanted to keep it a surprise from each other pretty much what we're doing in those 2 days. So the first day I planned lunch followed by some drinks and then dinner.
In that 7 or 8 days of time, he got to know me so well. He noticed every single thing about me so much. The next time we met in Bombay, he made sure he incorporated all those small things.
And she was like, he planned everything to the perfect, to the T. He had everything planned from the dinner that she liked. He gave her a bouquet of peonies, her favorite flowers, and everything.
I love art and craft, so he made sure he planned an art gallery visit in Bombay. So we did that. I love fine dine, I love food. He made sure he planned an experience. He himself does not love a 3-hour dinner, but because I love it, he did that. And that for me was a first time that I felt that way. That's special.
That's sort of where a spark came in our relationship as well.
मन अंगना चांद बसेरा कर गयो रे रंग गयो रे सारी रहना अखियां चार वो कर गयो रे रंग गयो रे आँख मूंद चुपके से कुछ कह जा तोड़ सारे बंधन मैनू ले जा
दम तारा बजदा राजड़ा दू जणिया दी जोड़ी चल मेले चलिए राजड़ा दू छड़िया दी जोड़ी दम तारा बजदा राजड़ा दू जणिया दी जोड़ी चल मेले चलिए राजड़ा दू छड़िया दी जोड़ी
For us, it was we're going to take time. Akash was like, I'm going to take at least 2-3 months. And I was like, yeah, dude, even I'm going to need 2 months. And then once we went into it, started talking, 5 or 7 days into it, Akash was like, okay, I think I'm getting there. I don't want to take too much time.
I felt that, there is enough that I've got to know, in terms of core values, in terms of the general vibe, in terms of being good friends. I felt there is something there which we can make permanent.
And I was like, okay, let's just take it, let's just go with the flow. And then 4 days later, I was also like, this is it. So you can say in 10 or 11 days, we happened to say yes to each other.
सुबह सी रातें हों जब से मिला है तू, दिल को मिला सुकून। तू ही राह मेरी, तू ही सफर है, तेरी बाहों में अब मेरा घर है।
चैन न जाने, दर्द न जाने, दिल को बस दिल को पहचाने। मिला जो संग तेरा, उड़ा पतंग मेरा, हवा में होके मलंग। छोड़ा ये घर बार मेरा, ओ मखना वे मखना, अब तू ही है संसार मेरा, ओ मखना वे मखना। ये पागल सा है प्यार मेरा, ओ मखना वे मखना। मैं छोड़ा ये घर बार मेरा, ओ मखना। मैं छोड़ा ये घर बार मेरा, ओ मखना वे मखना, अब तू ही है संसार मेरा, ओ मखना वे मखना। ये पागल सा है प्यार मेरा, ओ मखना वे मखना। मैं छोड़ा ये घर बार मेरा, ओ मखना। छोड़ा ये घर बार मेरा, ओ मखना। तू ही है संसार मेरा, ओ मखना। ये पागल सा है प्यार मेरा, ओ मखना। मैं छोड़ा ये घर बार मेरा, ओ मखना। मखना, छोड़ा ये घर बार मेरा, ओ मखना। तू ही है संसार मेरा, मखना। ये पागल सा है प्यार मेरा, ओ मखना। मैं छोड़ा ये घर बार मेरा, ओ मखना।
Everybody was on it because I was constantly discussing. Like, that's what happens in an arranged marriage, right? You're so confused. You want to discuss it with everybody. So mom, dad, my brother, and my Nana ji particularly. Like, all these 4 people, they were like on it. Like, you know, how is it going? Like, what's going on? And that's when, like, I had recently met my mother-in-law that day. Mom I had met.
I went all nervous. कि okay, what situation are they into? How do I speak to her? What do I speak to her? Sachi was so calm and composed about the situation. We hit notes from day one, which I'm so excited about to have her in our lives.
Like, the conversation with her also was very flowing, like, from the beginning. So I felt like, you know, this is beautiful. Like, what could anybody else ask for?
वो मीटिंग में साची को इतना कंफर्टेबल लगा, तो एक वो बहुत बड़ा बात होती है कि हस्बैंड के साथ साथ में मदर इन लॉ इज ऑल्सो वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट.
And then, yeah, I called my parents. I called dad first of all, and then I told him that, yeah, it's feeling good. Like, I think we're good to go, like, and all of that. Then my brother calls me up. He's taking every single detail as to, like, okay, what happened? How was the meeting? All of that, we did it. And I was just very happy, like, you know, when I was describing everything. Like, my family was very happy to know about Akash, the way I was telling.
She broke the ice after that meeting, and then I think Sachi got comfortable with her in that meet, and the next day it was like Akash and Sachi ke side se there was a yes.
मेरे महबूब कयामत होगी आज रुसवा तेरी गलियों में मोहब्बत होगी. मेरी नजरें तो गिला करती है तेरे दिल को भी सनम तुझसे शिकायत होगी. मेरे महबूब दिल के चैन, ओ मेरे दिल के चैन, चैन आए मेरे दिल को दुआ कीजिए. ओ मेरे दिल के चैन, चैन आए मेरे दिल को दुआ कीजिए. मेरे सपनों की रानी कब आएगी तू, आई रुत मस्तानी कब आएगी तू, बीती जाए जिंदगानी कब आएगी तू. चल चलिया हाँ तू चलिया अपना दिल तो आवारा ना जाने किस पे आएगा ਚਾਂਦਣੀ ਨੇ ਪੁੰਨਿਆ ਤੇ ਜਲਸਾ ਲਗਾਇਆ ਸੱਦਾ ਝੀਲ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਆਇਆ ਚੰਦ ਮੁਖ ਮਹਿਮਾਨ ਸੀ ਚਾਂਦਣੀ ਨੇ ਪੁੰਨਿਆ ਤੇ ਜਲਸਾ ਲਗਾਇਆ ਸੱਦਾ ਝੀਲ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਆਇਆ ਚੰਦ ਮੁਖ ਮਹਿਮਾਨ ਸੀ ਰਿਸ਼ਮਾ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਰਿਸ਼ਮਾ ਨੇ ਦੂਧਿਆ ਜਈ ਪਾਈ ਸੀ ਪੋਸ਼ਾਕ ਮਾਰੀ ਤਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਹਾਕ ਉਹ ਤਾਂ ਹੋ ਰਹੀ ਜਹਾਨ ਸੀ ਚਾਂਦਣੀ ਨੇ ਪੁੰਨਿਆ ਤੇ ਜਲਸਾ ਲਗਾਇਆ ਜਲਸਾ ਲਗਾਇਆ ਜਲਸਾ ਲਗਾਇਆ ਜਲਸਾ ਲਗਾਇਆ प्यार वाले पिंड दिया महकदियां जूहां अगे संदली बरूहां ते बलौरी दहलीज है प्यार वाले पिंड दिया महकदियां जूहां संदली बरूहां बलौरी दहलीज है दिलां वाले कमरे च नूर होवेगा जी हाँ जरूर होवेगा के इश्क रोशनी दी चीज है चांदनी ने पुन्ने आते जलसा लगाया सदा ਝੀਲ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਆਇਆ ਚੰਦ ਮੁਖ ਮਹਿਮਾਨ